Draw a slanted line down to the left. Then draw another slanted line down to the right. Finish with a line across the middle. Lowercase a. Start with a small circle going up and around. Then draw a line straight down. Words starting with A. Apple. Airplane. Antelope. Alligator. Ant. Move to the next letter. Move to the next letter. Uppercase B. Draw a straight line down. Then from the top, carve out and back into the middle. And again from the middle to the bottom. Lowercase b. Draw a straight line down. Then from the middle, carve out and back to the bottom. Words starting with B. Ball. Bear. Balloons. Bus. Butterfly. Fantastic! Move to the next letter. Letter C. Uppercase C. Start at the top, curve around to make a half circle. Lowercase c. Start from the middle, curve around to make a smaller half circle. Good job! Words starting with C. Cow. Car. Cat. Corn. Caterpillar. Let's move to the next letter. Letter D. Draw a straight line down. Then from the top, carve out and around to the bottom. Lowercase d. Start with a small circle. Then draw a line going up and back down. Words starting with D. Dog. Donut. Duck. Dolphin. Dinosaur. Fantastic! Let's move to the letter E. Uppercase E. Draw a straight line down. Then draw 3 short lines across. One at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. Lowercase e. Draw a small line across. Then curve around to close it. Words starting starting with E. Egg. Elephant. Eyes. Earth. Eagle. Super, friends. Move to the next letter, F. Uppercase F. Draw a straight line down, then draw two short lines across. One at the top and one in the middle. Lowercase f. Start with a curve from the top, then draw a straight line down and add a short line across the middle. Words starting with F. Frog. Flowers. Fish. Fire. Fox. Great job! Move to the next letter, G. Uppercase G. Start with a large curve like a C, then add a small line across the middle. Lowercase g. Draw a circle, then a line going down with a small curve. Giraffe. Gorilla. Goldfish. Goat. Gate.